In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Untitled Boxing Game on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly access and play Untitled Boxing Game. To find it, all that you have to do is use the search function on the home screen of Roblox and look for Untitled Boxing Game. It should be the first result to pop up, made by Drowning Song, and you will be able to join and play right away on any platform. If you want to play against other people, you just have to click on this green button and you will join a public server where you can start practicing against real opponents. But if you want to get used to the controls first and maybe practice a little bit on your own time, I recommend that you set up a private server. Before you join, make sure that you take a look at the controls. So for PC, you can dash or rather dodge your opponent's attacks by using space. You can use F to block, M1 to light punch, M2 to heavy punch, and you can feint when you press both at the same time. The Xbox controls are also going to be listed if you want to play using a controller, and like I said, for this video I'm gonna join a private server first. So when you join a private server or a public one, you will spawn in and you will be able to customize the experience. You can go into the settings to change some visual aspects, but for the most part, everything should be set up. You will be able to go into the server browser, access rank mode, and as you can see, all that you have to do to play against other people is to join any of these boxing rings over here. If you join a private server like me, you will be able to access the dummies over here which block and attack, so you will be able to learn how stamina works, how blocking works, and of course, how dodging works. So you just have to press 1 to enter this battling stance, and now you can interact with the dummies. This is all you have to do to play Untitled Boxing Game on PC or any other platform on Roblox. Now, I missed the dodge window 3 times in here, but as you can see by pressing space, you will be able to dodge. And of course, you can explore these dummies until you get used to the controls. Once you are ready, you just have to back out and join a public server where you can find other random people to box against. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Untitled Boxing Game on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.